Hey guys, just picking up where we left off yesterday. Um, or not yesterday, last video. Um, so what we're gonna do is, we just added all of these images right here. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go on this YouTube tutorial view controller.nib, double click, and it'll open Interface Builder. And Interface Builder, I don't know if you all know, but Interface Builder is a really awesome thing that Apple developed to create graphical user interfaces really easily. And it has this really cool way of connecting things to actions that you'll see. Uh, Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to drag an image view in, kind of like we tried to in the last one. And we're going to make it the whole thing. And then we're going to say, there we go, now we have all of our images over here. And so I'm just going to go to, we want this to be court. So there's court right there. The court should fill our screen. We want to scale to fit. We don't want it opaque. We don't want any of this. We just want that. Alright. And that'll be good. And then now what we do is we'll right click. So you can either do control click, or you can just do your, I don't know if you have it set up, but like a 2-finger click as right click, or I have it set up so it's the bottom right hand is a click. But it'll open up this window, and then you click this little plus and drag it to Files Owner. And then it pops up and asks you what you want it to be, and this is the court, so we'll have it court. And what this is doing is it's linking this UI image view with this variable in our code. So it's saying court in our code is linked now with that image. So if I say court.hide, it'll hide that image. So that's what that does. Alright, we'll go back to our interface builder. And now we'll add a few more of these. So this is going to be our now we want this to be racket green, and we don't want this to scale to fit, obviously. We'll do top left, we'll make it, and we don't want it opaque. We don't want this or this. That'll make it clear. And you're going to want these to be PNGs, so so that as you can see, they one second. Kind of got to scale this right, or else it might die on you. Alright, so there's that. We'll have it go right there. What was I saying? Oh, you want them to be PNGs so that they are transparent, or black is transparent. And what that allows it to happen is that you have it can slide around with it looking like it's just on top. We'll go top left, and this one will be yellow racket. Racket yellow. Alright, so now we'll take this up. We're just going to make these even, just for sake of having them even. Alright, so we have our two paddles. Now we can do the same thing. We'll do control click for this one. And when you click on this, what's really cool is it goes transparent so that it doesn't get in your way. So we want that, and this is the green paddle. And if we right click on this one, that is the yellow paddle. Alright, now we will add few labels. So we'll put one label there. Label right after it. A label right there. And a label right after it. And we'll rename this label to be score. We'll rename this one to be score. And we'll take this label, we'll rename it 0. And that'll be 0. Alright. Our score, and now let's just make these text. I'll make this one green and the other one yellow. This one, I'll go into here, right here, and then click this little magnifying glass. And it brings up a thing so that you can select an exact color. So I want that green. And then I want that yellow. Alright, so that should be good. Now we're going to link this. So right click, take this to player score. We'll click that. Pull computer score. And then we'll add one more label right here. We'll make it bigger, and we're going to rename it tap anywhere to begin. And I want to make this text bigger. Let's go with like 24. Alright, so we'll put that right there. And we'll right click, drag it to tap to begin. Now, if we go here, I should have all of the connections made. Oh, except for the ball. Totally forgot the ball. Alright, let's go here. We want to throw in another UI image view. Clear concept. We want it to go on the, we're just doing the same things we've done for all the other ones, and we want to set this to ball. Alright, and then we're going to resize it so it's just big enough. And we have to do this for, because we use it for collision detection. And I think that looks good to me. We'll just put that right in the center where it belongs. And here, actually. Alright, we'll put that right there. And that is the basic interface. So you do Command S or File Save, and then you can quit Interface Builder. Okay, no, I don't need that. I don't need that. And so we'll go. Oh, what am I in here? So we want to open Xcode. No, not YouTube. We want to open Xcode, and we'll go build and run. Hopefully won't have any errors. 2 errors. Or oh, I'm sorry. Oh, jeez. Already at 9:53. Sorry, pick this up in the